Welcome to Archiversity online lectures. In this lecture, I am going to explain you how to prepare cross tabulations, that is a cross order tabulation using IBM SPSS data editor. Frequency distribution tables are calculated or created on univariate data, whereas cross tabulations are created on bivariate data. So cross tabulations help you in finding out the association at a later stage, but preliminary or at a beginning, you will try to find out the relationship or association or frequency of respondents on a two variables, that is a bivariate. To create a cross tabulation, you need to select analyze command from your menu commands. So click analyze, then from analyze choose descriptive statistics, and from descriptive statistics select crosstabs. So once you select the crosstabs, click on this. The crosstabs window will appear on your screen. Now here this gives you rows and columns. That means from the variable list you need to select a variable which should appear on the rows and which variable should appear on the columns. So let us say for simplicity we use the gender, and this we want it in the rows. Then educational qualification of the respondents, we want this in a column. Now once you are done with this, then you can choose the display clustered bar charts if you required. Otherwise, simply click OK. Here you can see a frequency distribution table has been selected. From your output window here, on your left hand side, you can see the title, nodes, case process and gender. Click on this. This will directly take you to the frequency, that is a cross distribution table here. So here you have a cross distribution table. On a rows, you have a male and female, and in columns, you have a diploma, graduation, and a total respondents. So this, we calculated a cross tabulation based on it only two variables. But sometimes you may want to have a multiple cross tabs. That is, in a rows, you want gender, whereas in columns, you want to have a different variables. For that also, you can do, instead of going back to your data editor, from your output viewer itself, you can directly perform the analysis. For that, here from output to document, click analyze, then again descriptive statistics, then crosstabs. So here gender is one, and in the columns you want to perform the similar kind of crosstab with all other variables also. So for those variables you can select them. So select already your educational qualification is there, select years of experience, hold the control key, then a total number of training programs attended, annual income, okay, then age group of the respondents. Then click on the right arrow here. You can see multiple variables here in a column side. So when you are doing this, what will happen is SPSS will create different crosstabs, one with a gender and education qualification, another with the gender and age group, another with the gender and years of experience. So we will see that. Now for that, click on OK. And here if you observe, there are multiple crosstabs are created. Now just we highlight here. So you can see here gender of the nurses and educational qualification, one crosstab. Similarly, the second crosstab, gender of nurses and age group. You can select the third one, fourth, fifth. So 5 different crosstabs are created in one go. And maybe sometimes you want to have multiple rows and multiple columns also. That can also be done. So here click on analyze, then descriptive statistics. So here descriptive statistics, choose crosstabs, and we'll say age group we'll remove here, and we include age group in a rows. Now we have two different variables in a rows and 4 or 5 variables in columns. So you'll get a total of a 2 into 5, 10 different crosstabs will be prepared. So for that, once you are done with selecting a rows and a columns, click OK. And look at the log here. So your different crosstabs are prepared. All right. So you can see that gender versus years, gender and total number, gender and annual income, age group and educational qualification, age group and years of experience, age group and training and development, age group and annual income. So this way you can calculate a multiple cross tabs. Either you can go for a single cross tab with the two variables, or one row and multiple columns, or multiple rows and multiple columns. So SPSS will not trouble you much. It will give you as many number of cross tabs as you wish in single go. Now the problem that you encounter here is, once you create a table here, it is very difficult for you to edit the table in IBM SPSS data editor. So you have a cross tab here, then you have gender of a nurses, then age group total here, and here unnecessarily there is a one row of a count. So you don't wish to have this, and you want to edit this one. So this can be edited, that is your cross tabs can be edited easily using Microsoft Excel and then MS Word. In my next lecture, I will show you how to edit cross tabs using Microsoft Excel and MS Word, so that you can write your report in MS Word with ease. Thank you for listening to the lecture.